Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be doing that together again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself right from there, okay, within the forex market, okay. And all you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, learn my trading strategy, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out this asset together. Everything I will be doing is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities, okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000, okay. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course just the way we are seeing it, this had been on a very strong downtrend, and of course right from the resistance zone it has been selling, got to the support zone, it pulled back, and it will be trying out this support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling till it gets to this region, okay. So this is still going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, since it is unable to break out above the present resistance zone where it is, okay. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out. We will be checking it out on 5-minute time frame, okay. And I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend till it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it went back on downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Still going to be on 5-minute time frame, okay. So this is it on 5-minute time frame. This had been on buy trend right from here, got to this resistance zone, pull back a bit, but this time around it has just broken out from there, and it will be buying more. And of course it will be checking out this particular resistance zone, and if it breaks out above that, then definitely this is the next place it will be going. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, and you can see it buying up and up. It has gotten, it's about getting to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out above it, then definitely to keep on buying. This is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will go back on sell trend. So let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and of course we will be going on 5-minute time frame to check it out. And of course this had been on downtrend for a very long time, so it's going back on buy trend any moment from now, okay. Of course it is on buy trend at the moment. Definitely it needs to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.